Hey guys, I'm Dave and welcome to the Trull Gallery. Today we're going to check out the new Cool Gadget laser level. Recently the team over at Cool Gadget asked me to check out their new laser level. And while I haven't had a lot of time to work with this, it does have a lot of nice features that you might like. And it comes in at a good price point too. So let's take a look at this guy. Your standard set of instructions, power cord. It looks to be an adapter for a tripod, a mystery thing, the mount, and then the tool itself. Man, it's pretty impressive. As beat up as the package was, the equipment looks intact. And I almost missed this part. Underneath the packaging, there's an extra seal. Let's start with the tool itself. One click of the power button and we've got power. The lights on the left illuminate to show how much battery life is available. And they say that you can get up to 10 hours of working time with this battery before having to recharge it with the included USB cable. 2 quick clicks and you activate the vacuum pump. Now this is cool. Not only will the laser connect to smooth surfaces like glass and tile, but even textured drywall. The lights on the right show you how powerful a vacuum it has reached. And if you're wondering, it's rated at 5 kilos or 11 pounds. If you push the power button for 2 seconds, the laser comes on. Pushing and holding the power button again shuts the laser off. For those of you who want all the tech stuff, this is a green 1 milliwatt laser, and they list the accuracy at 3 millimeters over 1 meter, or about 3/32 over 39 inches. There is a catch though. You have to level the laser by eye. It's not self-leveling. Simply adjust your level until the bubble is centered between the 2 lines and you're good to go. There's a level for plumb and another for level. But you can also use this at any angle you like. You can use the level to set the height of your frames, or as a quick check to line up their edges. The Cool laser comes with 2 attachments and they're both pretty useful. The first is the laser level stand. There are times when my tripod are either too tall or too short for my work. Now I can connect the laser mount to the Cool laser, and then connect my larger laser to the mount. Then you can set the laser in place, activate the suction, and you're in business. While there's no micro adjustment, if you set your laser line carefully, you'll have no troubles. Oh, and since my laser weighs much less than 5 kilos, the vacuum has no trouble holding it in place. The second attachment is a dust collector. To swap out the stand for the dust collector, press the button in the front and slide the stand off. Now you can slide the collector in place until it clicks. That mystery item in the box? That's a dust cover that goes in place over the silver disc. And the brushes inside that disc help to keep all the dust inside. It's as easy to use as setting your bit in place, turning on the vacuum, and then drilling your hole. The dust is captured in the collector and doesn't get all over your floor. And it can be used with or without that boot. I wish I had more time to put this through its paces, but it seems to be well built and it survived my UPS guy. We'll just have to see how it holds up over time. I like the fact that it's compact and priced well for most DIYers. If you have a project coming up that involves hanging a lot of artwork, check out the link below and maybe grab one of these cool gadgets for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, maybe give us a thumbs up and share it with friends. If you haven't already, maybe it's time to hit that subscribe button and a little bell so you get notified each time I put out a new video. As usual, I don't have a clue what's coming up next, But it should be something interesting. So until then, have a great day, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.